Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty, and today we will be reviewing the Lightning Bolt and Lightning Bolt Universal RCA battery packs. Made in the USA by FK Irons, the Lightning Bolt battery packs have been designed using the latest wireless technology. So let's take a closer look. The DarkLab Lightning Bolt from FK Irons is a completely wireless power pack that clips onto your machine's RCA connection and can provide power for up to 10 hours with a single charge. The Lightning Bolt is the perfect power supply for any PMU artist looking to take their machine completely wireless. With no wires or cords required, the Lightning Bolt gives you maximum freedom and manoeuvrability whilst working. The DarkLab Lightning Bolt comes with Bluetooth connectivity, meaning you can pair it with other wireless products from the brand or with the DarkLab app. Wireless firmware updates mean that the battery pack will still be compatible with any future machines that the DarkLab sister brands release. Weighing only 58 grams, the Lightning Bolt won't leave your machine feeling top heavy thanks to its balanced, lightweight design. It contains a lithium-ion battery with a USB-C charging port with super fast charging speeds of up to 1.5 amps. Voltage and battery LED indicators can be found on the display of the power pack. The design of the Lightning Bolt makes it the perfect companion for the Microblading Xeon S PMU machine, which we have here. For artists using other machines with a different design, FK Irons have created the Lightning Bolt Universal. This wireless battery pack is compatible with all rotary permanent makeup machines with an RCA connection, regardless of brand. The Lightning Bolt Universal includes all the innovative features of the original Lightning Bolt power pack, but with a universal design, making it compatible with all machines so that any artist can now work wirelessly. The Lightning Bolt and the Lightning Bolt Universal are both available to order from Killer Beauty as a single item or in a pack of 2. Investing in a pack of 2 means that you can always have a fully charged backup ready for when one runs out, meaning you can work without interruptions. If you enjoyed our review and unboxing of the FK Irons Lightning Bolt and the Lightning Bolt Universal, make sure you like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.